In this video, you will learn how to assemble an easy reach wall cabinet.
To assemble this cabinet, you will need the following tools and supplies: a power drill equipped with a Phillips head bit or a Phillips head screwdriver, a dead blow hammer or rubber mallet, and a staple gun. While an air-powered pneumatic staple gun will make the job easier, you can also use an inexpensive manual staple gun. We tested the Aero Model T50 heavy-duty staple gun with success, and this model can be found for under $20 at most hardware stores. You'll also need the appropriate 3/8 or 10mm staples for your staple gun, as well as a bottle of wood glue, which will form the primary bond that holds your cabinet together.
Start off by assembling the two pieces that make up the front of the cabinet as shown. Now, rest the front cabinet frame as shown and apply a bead of wood glue into the grooves. If you accidentally apply too much wood glue, simply wipe off the excess with a damp cloth. Next, slide the top and bottom pieces into place along the grooves. Make sure everything is lined up nicely. 90-degree assembly brackets will be installed on both the top and bottom of the cabinet. Start by doing one side first. Attach the 90-degree assembly brackets as shown. The precise placement of these is not critical, as these are just to hold everything in place while the wood glue dries. The next step is to slide the side panels into place. Once again, install 90-degree assembly brackets to ensure that everything is held together properly while the wood glue dries. Repeat your previous steps on the opposite end of the cabinet. Now it's time to install the wall-facing side panels into place. Line it up in the grooves, ensure that it's flush, and then secure it using a stapler. Now, use the 1 3/4 wood screws in the pre-drilled holes to secure this panel into place. Insert the rear corner panel as shown and ensure that it is flush in the grooves and along the edges. Once the back corner piece is lined up, you can slide the second side panel into place. Follow the same steps you did on the previous one to attach this one. Next, drop the hinges into the doors as shown. Fasten the hinges in place using the screws that are included with them. Laying down the cabinet as shown here will make it easy to align your doors. Simply line up the hinges with the pre-drilled holes and secure them with the screws. Now, determine where you would like the magnetic catch to be located and fasten it in place. Next, determine where the metal strip should be placed on the door in relation to the magnetic catch. Once you've carefully lined it up, fasten it into place. Peel and stick bumpers onto the points where the cabinet door contacts the cabinet face. Finally, install your shelf pegs and position the shelf however you would like.